Okay, there. But beleza. Perdi todos os minions.
Yum.
And I don't know.
Pumpkins. Why do they grow so big?